Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel di Cerita Rasa, teman belajar kamu di sini. So, today's video we are going to talk about my recommend YouTube channel for us to improve our English skills. So, before we start our lesson, don't forget to click the subscribe below. And if you like this video, give me your thumbs up and stay tuned. Okay guys, today's video we are going to talk about my recommend YouTube channel for all of you who wants to learn more about English, about how to improve your speaking skill, listening, reading, and something like that. And without any further ado, let's get to the list. Before we start to learning something, we have to love to do it. Right? Kita harus mencintainya dulu, suka dulu gitu. Jadi habis suka, kita tuh akan dengan to make us easier to learn something, untuk membuat kita tuh lebih mudah gitu untuk menyerap ilmunya. Oke, jadi berawal dari suka, I will give you this following YouTube channel that I will share to you. And most of the time, I spending my time in this, just scrolling all their videos. Trust me. It works. Okay, the first one, Nessie Judge. Maybe all have been known. Semua pasti udah pada tahu. This is a big channel that really encouraged me, motivate me to speak in English. The first thing when I saw her videos, I'm falling in love with the way she talked. Her American accent by Nessie Judge, which is very good. And I really want to be learn more about English because of her. The first, maybe the second option because of her. Her channel is mostly talking about conspiration, the theory, something like mistis theory gitu deh. And you can find out more in her channel. So let's check this out. Okay. Number two is Naila Farhana. Maybe kalau yang udah falling in love in English, kayaknya this YouTuber has been known. Has been famous gitu. Pasti udah pada tahu. The way she talk makes me really want to know more about her. And ternyata bener-bener menginspirasi gitu. And she also mostly talking about self-development, psychology, and also how to learn English more, like in terms of speaking and also grammatical, but with her way to to deliver the message of knowledge. Number three is Show English. Show English is one of educational YouTube channel which is mostly talking about how to improve English, but mostly in a grammatical concept. So, jadi buat yang tertarik untuk speaking with a grammatical rules, I think you can see much more from this channel. Number four is invid.com, because basically I'm a teacher and I have to kind of research some of methodology to how to explain to my students when I'm talking about this lesson, this subject, this material. So I have to research more. And when I saw this video, I have been take a look for some coach and tutors, and they were amazing. And cara menyampaikannya tuh enak juga teman-teman, jadi mudah dipahami. So I think maybe this one for level intermediate and advanced ya. Tapi so you can check this out. Okay. Last one, number 5 is English Fluency Journey. Oke, mungkin kalau buat channel yang satu ini lebih kepada gimana caranya kita lebih percaya diri, how to make us confidence to speak up. You can find out more in English fluency journey. Yeah, I think that's all for me, and if you guys like it, don't forget to give me your thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for turning in the video, and like this video, and don't forget to comment and subscribe below. And yeah, I think that's all from me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Assalamualaikum.